Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you how to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. To check this, first of all open any browser and then on the searching bar search for Roblox and go through your Roblox account and make sure that you have logged into the Roblox. Then on the left you will see an option of 3 lines. Hit on that. There you will see an option of friends. Go through it. Now if somebody have viewed your profile and sent a request, it will be seen here. But if you go through your profile, then there is no any option to see only if someone have viewed your profile. If they sent you the request, then only you can know if somebody has viewed or not your Roblox profile. So this is the only way to find out. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.